Hey everyone, I'm Michaela. This is Christian, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to do what?
How to have Halloween food fun all day long.
So we're going to start with some breakfast, some super cool breakfast. Chocolate cereal, nothing better than that.
Nope.
Good? I see, I think you're going to eat the whole thing in like 5 seconds flat. All right, Christian, are you ready for some lunch?
Yep.
And one easy way to make your average sandwich super fun for the holidays is to use cookie cutters. And now we got a cool Bet sandwich.
Now we're gonna make a pizza.
Okay, so we have a DiGiorno pizza, we have cheddar cheese, and Colby cheese. What we're gonna do is cut these up into cute little shapes and decorate our pizza with it. Hey, you're eating all the cheese, I wanted some of that. Fine. We made a little chocolate.
How was it?
It's good. We loved preparing all of these meals. You can find everything that you need here at your local Giant. And thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Ready? Let's cheers to Halloween.
Cheers to Halloween.